Hey guys, Ryan here again from Professional Hair Labs, and I wanted to take a moment to talk about two of our shampoos that are a part of our 7-step system, which is branded The Science of Full Head Bonding. So today we're going to look at step 3 and step 4 of this system, and they're both shampoos, and one is called New Dimensions Dual Action Shampoo, and the fourth product is called PHL Number Five Shampoo. And one of the most common questions we get surrounding these products are, why do you have two shampoos? Is one not enough? And, in theory, yes, one would be enough. But the challenge that we had when formulating this line, our aim was to make the line as high performance as possible. And the unfortunate part about this is we couldn't actually get one shampoo formulation to carry out both tasks. So we had to separate them. So product number 3, which is the New Dimensions Dual Action Shampoo, this product is an adhesive residue remover. So after you remove the hair unit from the scalp, we always recommend to use this product on the hair unit and the scalp. Because as you know, there's a lot of residue that's left over on the surrounding hairs on the head and also on the base of the unit and in the hair itself. So by using the dual action shampoo, it will completely remove all of this residue. Now, one of the downsides to this shampoo is that it does leave the hair slightly oily. And as we know, oil is not something we want to be dealing with when using bonding adhesive because it creates barriers. So that's where step 4 came in, which is the PHL Number 5 shampoo. And this is a high-performing clarifying shampoo, which basically can be used on the scalp, on the head, and also the hair unit to restore the hair unit and the hair back to its original state. So you're left with a very clean bonding surface and making sure that the hair is basically, it kind of is restored back to that that new out-of-the-box look. So by using both of these shampoos, you're making sure that you're removing the adhesive residue and you're also restoring the unit and the hair on the head back to its original state.